Welcome back to the 2 minute market. We're going over today's market while keeping it as simple as possible. Now, today is one of those days that a lot of important things happen. So first, let's get into the meat and potato of things with the S&P 500. Again, we're at such critical levels that every single day I want to go over the S&P 500 so you guys know exactly where we're at in the market. So if you look at the chart above, you'll see that the S&P 500 did rip up today. It opened up higher, and then from the beginning of the day to the midday, it kind of went sideways. Then at the end of the day, it kind of went parabolic. Now let's get into all the indices. If you look at the indices above, you'll see that today was a bright green day, and we actually hit all-time highs in a lot of the indices. The S&P 500 all-time high, the Dow all-time high, and the Nasdaq, we also hit all-time highs. Now, one of the stocks that did do a huge rebound was Nvidia. Nvidia is actually back up to over $145 per share, so we've seen a major comeback in that stock. Now, a lot of stocks have been up, but I want to talk about a major announcement that we had today at about 1:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So the Fed chair, Jerome Powell, actually came on and he spoke. And it looks like we're going to actually have another interest rate cut at the end of this month. But one of the key things Jerome Powell said in his meeting today was this, and I want to quote him on this part. And he said, "People use Bitcoin as a speculative asset just like gold. It's just like gold. Only it's virtual, it's digital. People do not use it as a form of payment or a store of value. It's too volatile. It's not a competitor to the dollar. It's really a competitor to gold." Now, those comments are so big when you hear it from the United States federal chairman. But let's see exactly what effect that actually had. If you look at these charts above, you'll see that Bitcoin today had a huge day, and Bitcoin actually went up and it almost broke that $100,000 mark. And honestly, at this point, it looks like it's about to break that $100 mark very soon. So let's keep an eye on Bitcoin. As well, Ethereum. Ethereum today had a huge move up, and now it's looking like it's about to hit that $4K mark. Now, with all this bullish talk today, I still want to give you guys the full view of what happened today. And one chart I want you guys to look at is this. It's called the VIX. Now, the VIX is basically a fear index. So it charts volatility. So basically, once it goes up, that means volatility and fear actually goes up as well. And today, the VIX hit a very critical level at $13. Now, usually on this level, when the VIX hit under 13, it usually spikes up. So it's something to keep aware of, because at any point, volatility could spike and the market might crash down. So again, it's just something to keep an eye on very closely. But we still have two major trading days for this week. So let's see how far these stocks can push up. Again, this is the 2 minute market. I'll see you soon. Peace.